So I need to calculate the mole fraction of this much ethanol dissolved in that much water. So I have a solute and I have a solvent. So I need to get my things in terms of moles to be able to answer this question. I don't have any information in the problem about solution. And so that's just how I have to work it separately and then add them together is what I'm going to have to do. So 22.5 grams of ethanol, 46.07 grams in 1 mole. That's going to give me moles of ethanol. And then I'm going to take 110.1 grams of water and 18.02 grams in 1 mole. And that's going to give me my moles of water. And then when I add them together, it will give me my mole of solution. And I can use that to answer both problems. So I'm going to scooch this one down. So funny when it does that. Okay. So 22.5 divided by 46.07, and that gives me 0. Whoops. Bring that back over. So that gives me 0.488. And I'll just do an extra digit or 2 since I'm going to be doing some of these numbers, 39. And then on the next one, 110.1 divided by 18.02. And that gives me 6.1099 moles of water. So when I add that to 0.48839, I get that my moles of solution are 6.598268. All right, so then I just have to do my final bit, which is doing moles of whichever one is asking about. So the first one's asking me about mole fraction of ethanol, so they want me to find this. E2OH is a abbreviation for ethanol. We use it often. 48839. That's moles of E2OH. And then over 6.598268 moles of solution. So 0.48839 divided by 6.598268. So that gives me 0.074018, and I'm going to round it to, let's see, this would have been out to that many decimal places, and this would have been out to more. So this would have been out to that many decimal places. So I need to round my answer to 4 sig figs. So 0.007402. Now, if I needed to find it the other way, that's going to be the next question.